my name is 𝐕𝐚𝐫 I've just completed 9,000 USD, almost 9,000 USD on Upwork. So I'm making this regarding that, how I completed it. Took me 3.5 years. My journey on Upwork. Cheers. This is my Upwork. So this is my payments section, and the $200 are crediting. Dollars are crediting. So I wanted to share. Baki I will make everything on the vlog. I will let you know guys. So please follow कर लेना मेरा Instagram और YouTube मैं उसमें डाल दूँगा. So thanks. Cheers. सारे I will give you all the information what to post and how to approach clients, etc. And I'm also making a website. So cheers.